Easter Island, a special territory of Chile, is situated in the Pacific Ocean, approximately 3,500 kilometers off the Chilean coast. The island was named by Dutch navigator Jacob Roggeveen, who became the first European to visit it on Easter Sunday in 1722. Known for its iconic monolithic statues, Easter Island boasts these remarkable works of art created by its native inhabitants. These statues, called Moais, were carved from volcanic rock native to the island. Their enormous size and weight have long puzzled researchers regarding the methods used for their transportation. Most Moais were positioned along the coast on ceremonial stone platforms known as ahus, facing toward the island's center. Contrary to popular belief, the statues are not merely large heads. They have bodies with arms, though they lack legs. Today, Easter Island is home to about 6,000 inhabitants. Nearly half of the island's land is part of the Rapa Nui National Park, which gained UNESCO World Heritage status in 1995. The capital of the island is Hangaroa. With its distinctive archaeological sites and pleasant climate, Easter Island draws thousands of tourists each year.